Hi mommies and papis. So on today's video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all 3 looks with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Life Collection. If y'all don't know what the Fenty Beauty Trophy Life Collection is really, so it's a collection that Fenty Beauty dropped that includes the bestseller highlighter Trophy Wife, then Trophy Wife gloss, Trophy Wife lipstick, and Trophy Wife eyeliner. So I already did a review on this. If you'd like to watch that, please click here or go to my channel. I already reviewed this in general. This is my 3 looks with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Life Collection. This is my first type of video and I really want to do this type of videos more in the future, so let me know what y'all think about it. And this is a very important video for me because today we have officially 100 videos on this channel. Okay, 100 videos. That's a lot of videos. I can't believe I did that many. But thank you guys so much if you're watching. I know I'm still small, but I love doing YouTube and I really appreciate if y'all subscribe. But without further ado, let's celebrate my 100 video with this glow, okay? So if y'all wanna know how I got this and the other 3 looks, then keep on watching. So for the first look, for the colorful one, we're gonna go in with Norvina Volume 3 palette. And we're gonna go in with the shade B3. And we're gonna put it all over our crease. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the James Charles palette. And we're gonna go in with this shade and we're gonna darken it up. Okay guys, now that you have that done, we're gonna cut our crease. And I'm gonna use my foundation this time because it's an open. All of the, now with the liner, we're gonna line all of the cut crease. Once we line that, we're gonna line the bottom of our eyebrows. Now that that's dry, to match it our color of our skin better, we're gonna go in with foundation and we're gonna put it all over it again. Now that blends into our skin better, we're gonna go in with the Tarte mascara and we're gonna put it all over. Now that the top eye is done, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Hello everybody, so yep, today we're gonna keep things low-key, okay? So that's it for the eyes. I really didn't want to go, you know, like you want to show. I mean, I don't like lashes, but I think this look will be great to put on fake eyelashes. So because the reason why I don't like long lashes, I feel it covers my art here, but this one I think will be perfect with long lashes. So that's it for the eyes. I want to keep it low-key. So for the cheeks, y'all know we gotta go with Trophy Wife. That's the rule, like I can't discuss. So we're gonna go in with 2 this time, 1 and 2, and we're gonna put it all over our cheeks. Yeah, yes, auntie, yes. now that trophy wife is in our face, we're gonna go in with lips, and we're gonna go like, you know, we're gonna show you guys how versatile this collection is. So I'm gonna go in with the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 1 palette, and we're gonna go in with shade B3, and we're gonna put this bad boy on our lips. Mom is a bit dry today, but I don't care. Once that is on your lips, we're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty. Where is it? Oh, we're gonna go in with the Gloss Bomb in Trophy Wife, and we're gonna put it all on top of it. Okay, you guys, so that is look number 1 on our face with the Trophy Wife collection, with the liner, Trophy Wife, with the Gloss Bomb. This is look number 1, you guys. What do you think about it? Let me know down in the comments. And let's go for look number 2 now. Okay, you guys know I despise baking, but my foundation is already done and I know there's gonna be fallout, so let's just get over this. So I'm gonna start by going with the Norvina Volume 2, and we're gonna go with shade E2, and we're gonna put that all over our lid. And that pink stained us, so bear with me. Okay, once the shadow is there, we're gonna go in with the shade D2, and we're gonna put it all over our crease. Once that's there, we're gonna go in with shade E4, and we're gonna darken that out. Okay, guys, once you guys have that done, we're gonna cut the crease. Okay, you guys, once that's done, we're gonna go in with Miss Trophy Wife, and we're gonna pack our brush, pack. We're just gonna pack it. Once that's back, we're gonna grab some Fix Plus. I'm using the Tarte one, and then we're gonna put it all over our lid. You guys need to be careful while blending Trophy Wife because it's a pressed glitter, I assume. So if you try to use a different brush to blend it, not one that you would use on the other eye, because that brush is gonna coat it with glitter. Okay, you guys, so for liner, we're going to go for a little bit dramatic. Now I'm gonna go in on top with my It mascara. I'm lazy to clean my lashes, okay? I'm just gonna go on top. Once that's done, I'm gonna be doing the other eye off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, now we're gonna finish with the bottom of our eyes. And we're gonna go in with first the yellow shade. First, we're gonna go in with the yellow shade, and then orange, and then brown. So we're gonna go in with the yellow shade. And last but not least, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Highlighter Mascara in the shade Chills. Put it in our inner corner. To make it pop. Okay, guys, so now it's time to start drawing the skull. and we're gonna go in with so this skull is inspired by the James Charles Kylie Jenner skull that he did on his channel, but we're gonna do like a trophy wife skull, you know. Okay, you guys, generally I will do the teeth first, but since it's a trophy wife look, I'm gonna do the teeth last and they're gonna be golden. That's gonna be the twist. Okay, so this part is gonna be orange, this one yellow, so let's give it a whirl. So it's time to start filling up our skull. Once the base of our skull is ready, we're gonna go in with the teeth that we are obviously gonna be using the Fenty Beauty lipstick. So, before shadowing the teeth, we're gonna fill them in. Now that the teeth are filled in, I'm gonna go in with this palette. I shouldn't be putting this on my lips, but we're gonna be drawing our lips. Now to end, we're gonna grab trophy wife with our fingers and we're gonna highlight some parts of this. Now we're gonna go in with liner. Our cheeks are looking a little bit shy, so we're gonna pop trophy wipe on our cheeks again. Okay, you guys, so this is look number 2. And what do y'all think? Trophy wipe skull makeup tutorial. I'm living. So now it's time for look number 3. But we're gonna go in first in the Moroccan Spice palette, and we're gonna go in with the shade Shisha Smoke, and we're gonna warm up our crease with that. Once Shisha Smoke is in place, we're gonna go in with the Kat Von D Fetish palette in the shade named S&M, and we're gonna darken that out. Once that's done, we're gonna go in with the Norvina Volume 2, and we're gonna grab the shade E5, and we're gonna pack it at the end of our lid, and then you're gonna blend that. Once that's in, I'm just gonna cut my crease. Once your crease is cut, finally, we're gonna start with trophy wipe. So we're gonna grab our brush and we're gonna pack it up. We're gonna pack it up with some trophy wipe. Once that's packed, since trophy wipe is a highlighter and it's like glitter, it's like pressed glitter. Once you blend it, it's messy and it's very hard to use as an eyeshadow. I use plenty of highlighters as eyeshadow, and Trophy Wife is one of the hardest shades to use as an eyeshadow. So you always make sure to wet it with like Fix Plus so you can get that pigment. Now that you wet the brush, now it's gonna perform way better because let me tell you. And as I said on the previous video, try not to blend Trophy Wife. Try just to pack it low-key because since it's pigment, if you blend it, you're just gonna put glitter all over your eye. So you just wanna pack it like that and blend it like that. Okay guys, so we're gonna line this. And now we're gonna go in with the It Superhero Mascara. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay you guys, so we're gonna smoke out our eyes. We're gonna back in again with the shade S&M and we're gonna start. We're gonna fix that liner, honey, because we're gonna be looking with a wonky liner. Once that's done, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty palette in the shade Chills, and we're gonna put it all over our inner corner. Okay guys, so on this look, since it's a more wearable everyday look, we're not gonna use Trophy Wife on our cheeks. So we're gonna go in with the Fenty Bomb and we're gonna put this all over our cheeks. We want like a more natural glow on our cheeks. We want some sparkle, you know? Now that we're glowing, we're gonna finish this look with the Fenty Beauty Bomb bare on our lips. This is like an everyday smoky eye look. Okay you guys, so this is the end of this third look and we came to the end of this video. What do y'all think? Listen, this is my first three looks, one collection, one palette video. And you guys, it's rough making 3 looks, especially with Trophy Wife where it can get everywhere. Honey, it was a lot. But what do y'all think about these looks? I'm planning to do these 3 looks, one collection, 3 looks, one palette. Generally like one colorful one creative one, and one everyday smoky eye look. So I really fell in love with this collection. Y'all can see how versatile it is, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it for watching. This is my 100th video. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. If you're new, then go bitch, like go watch my videos. Like what's good, like there's 100 of them. And let me know what y'all want to see down in the comments. Let me know which one was your favorite of all. And thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.